Hi everybody. Thought I'd just give you an update on my move. As you can see, I've started packing. I have this clock on the wall, and other than that, the walls are empty. So I'm not moving. After doing all this, you can see more empty walls all the way around. Took a big shelf off and back to the clock. So I'm not moving because my landlord wasn't going to accept my 30 days notice because my 30 days notice didn't include a full calendar month. Like, because I give notice on the 11th of February, they wanted me to stay until the end of March and leave the end of March. This is stuff that I'm not keeping except for that pillow, which is there to remind me. But all that stuff, well, not the boards right there, but all the stuff in the bags and everything are getting donated. So they wanted me to give, a full calendar month. This stuff is all packed. It's a mess. Some of it has to be put in boxes. And again, empty walls. I've got my pie safe here, full of stuff. So I'm not going to unpack because I'm still going to move. Clock, that's it. Everything else, empty walls. I'm not going to move. I'm not moving right now, but I will be moving when the next apartment comes available. Hopefully I'm able to give a full calendar month notice. Here's some kitchen stuff that I've packed. So I've left out like paper plates, but 2 cups, 2 drinking glasses, things like that, so that, because I thought I was moving in 2 weeks, but I'm not. So I did pull that video down with the announcement, and this is what it is for now. So those are empty boxes, but like I said, I'm not going to unpack and put stuff back out because I'm hoping that an apartment will come available very soon, and I'll still get to move and not lose my $800 security deposit. So bye everybody. Just wanted to give you an update. See you soon. Bye.